Welcome back, everybody. Kind of chilly here again today. Got the old toque on. Probably see my breath again. So today, I'll switch it around and I'll show you. Today, I'm going to be working on my granddaughter's little quad. She doesn't use it very much. Pretty much just got to check the oil. It's one of those. I charged the battery already. So I'm just going to see if I can get her running for her so she can play with it tonight. It's supposed to be warmer later today. I organized some more of my garage here this morning. Moved my lift over where it's going to probably permanently stay. I'm going to take those wheels off, and then the whole thing will, it's off the ground there right now, and then the whole thing will be even more stable. So I'll get all set up here and then I'll bring you back. Well, I'm pretty much set up. I'm just gonna bring this lift down a bit. Maybe I'll bring you a little closer. Well, I haven't played with this for a while, since last year. The choke's in kind of a messed up spot. I don't know if the battery took a charge or not. Let's give it a try. Said it was charged. Oh, key on probably helped. There we go. Guess I'll hook the battery pack up. All right, got her hooked up. Let's give her a try. The brake has to be on to start it. I got the choke on, I think. Let's see. Oh, my cable came off. 1 second. Let's try that again. There we go. That went way easier than I thought. I gotta play with the choke here. And the cable fell off again. I don't think it's gonna fall off this time. We'll see. It's pretty small battery connectors. So you don't like the cold. Almost need 3 arms on this one. No happy medium. Every year is the same thing with this. Getting better every time. Might have done her this time, maybe. Maybe she's gonna stay running this time. Do a little walk around here while it's running. Switch it around. You can see it's got a really bright light on the back. That's just a cord from my phone holder. It's got a really bright light on the back, so it doesn't run for a long time. The light will pretty much kill the battery. Booster pack here. Shut that off. It's just got one forward gear and one reverse gear. Believe it or not, it has. Where's the switch? It's got low beans and high beans. Believe that. There we go. I guess you want to see too. There's low, there's high. When you rev it up, it'll stop doing that. You can buy these pretty cheap, but they're pretty nice. She likes it. She drives it around quite a bit. Just make it. She's got a brake here on the floor, on the footboard, I guess you could call it, and one brake there. It does have a remote shut off. I could shut it off if she's going too fast or if she gets into a spot. We bought this about, I don't know, 3 years ago maybe. She might have put 4 hours on it. So she used it a lot, but she'll drive it around a couple times and then she'll play and then she'll go back on. When she gets back from school, then she's going to jump on it and go for a ride, and then that'll finish the video. So this will be a short one. Hope you enjoyed this little video. It's just like a little burnout I did with it. That's pretty much a redneck burnout. Okay. Well, that's it for today's video. Don't forget, like my wife says, subscribe and give me some likes.